Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today you guys are going to get a little glimpse into what our 4th of July weekend looked like here in the South while we're visiting my parents for the summer. So if you guys are interested, then just keep watching. It's 4th of July weekend. We're in the middle of a move. So we'll be in Texas in August. So in the meantime, we're going to be here with my family. We're also going to be going to our old house. We're about to sell in just a few days. It was our very first home when we first got married. We brought both of our kids home in that house. So there's a lot of memories. We're going to go there one last time before it's officially sold. We've been renting it out for years. It's just time to let it go. So that's what's going on in this weekend's vlog. So yeah, I guess I can give you guys a little look at the room we're staying in. When my parents built this house, they built an upstairs just for siblings. So whenever we come with our families to visit, we have our designated rooms and our own bathrooms. So me and my husband stay here and my kids have their own room downstairs. But I can show you guys our room kind of looks like right now. It's definitely not picture perfect since we've been here for almost 2 months. On this day we were doing laundry, so we have laundry drying. I always have a candle burning. And over here at the desk area, my mom just got this really pretty print that's supposed to go on the wall. We're going to hang that up soon. But I usually just keep my laptop, my makeup, my microphone, and my planner, things like that, since I do edit here while I'm visiting. A lot of you guys will remember this. I hauled this from Amazon in one of my previous videos. It's a makeup organizer for travel, and so far I'm loving it. I might as well show you guys what I got from J.Crew since the bag is already in here. Of course, we wore our masks when we went in, and they only let a limited amount of people into the store, so it was as safe as it could be. Alright, so first up out of the bag, I think my husband picked up 4 pairs of shorts. He got a white pair, a light blue pair, a darker gray pair, and a dark blue pair, which is super soft, almost like workout pants. Then I picked up some t-shirts. I love their t-shirts. Got an orange and blue color, and then just a plain white one. You can never go wrong with white. And then I picked up this wrap dress from there. It's dark blue and orange. It's so pretty, especially with just sandals. And then for my 7-year-old, we picked up a couple of t-shirts for him, soft striped one, and then we got a thicker striped one, and then he actually picked up this shirt himself, so we got that one for him, along with these gray shorts. We also got this for my 7-year-old, along with this belt. My husband picked up this shirt. He actually got this by accident. He's really tall, and a lot of t-shirts from J.Crew are too short for him. He can fit this one, so he's going to end up keeping it. It's just like a really casual t-shirt. I did get some sunglasses from Kate Spade. I definitely needed some new sunglasses, but I think that was it. We're here. Getting the kids out the car. There's Blake. Your shoes. What in the world? Here it is. Our little entryway. I remember. So here is our house. So it's so crazy. I remember picking out these floors, but it was our first home, and it's echoey because there's nothing in here. But we are actually about to sell it for good. We've had renters in and out of here for years. So I'm at the front door. Here's the dining room. I remember we had a chandelier here, but this is like the basic one. When we moved out, we took our chandelier with us. My little dining room. Right here is, of course, just like a half bath. And then in here is our kitchen. Like I said, this was our first home. We brought both of our kids home from the hospital in this house. Little pantry, I just remember a lot of how I had it decorated, how excited we were as it was getting built. The wall color kills me. But here's our little eat-in kitchen area. Backyard, that's a nice size backyard. We're so young when we got this house. Laundry room, garage. This was our little mud area, I guess. And I remember buying these from the Container Store, and they're little key holders, magnetic. Just put your keys up there and they like stick. So like if you have keys or anything like that, a lanyard, you can even hang things over it. I thought it was so cute, and they're still here. This is a coat closet. I'll show you guys the garage. Here's our garage. And we did epoxy the floor when we first moved in here. So that's the garage. Upstairs, a huge bonus room. It's actually considered a bedroom because there's a closet and a door. So we had like a shelving unit here with our TV here. We had couches. It's actually a really nice size room. Brandon had this as his man cave. He had all his like military pictures up on the wall. It was actually really nice. Nice size closet. The bathroom. This was the kids' bathroom. They have 2 sinks, tub, guest bedroom. And then you come down here, another guest bedroom. This was Braden's room. And they still have these little things up that we had when he was a baby. His crib used to be right there. Last room I'm showing you guys is our bedroom. It has like his and hers closets. There's the his. This was my closet. And here is our bathroom. This was a toilet room. Oh. So many memories in here, but we are definitely moving on.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place.
Happy 4th of July and welcome to the country. We love coming out here because the kids are free to run and just have fun, get dirty. I am on my parents' front porch. This is what it looks like. We're gonna be cooking out, doing hamburgers, hot dogs. And I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can today. Let me show you guys our backyard.
Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift from me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. For the second chance I say I'm nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the